Just a quick video. Get asked a lot, people, how to use diamond dust and what's it for. So diamond dust is basically, it's an abrasive powder, yeah? So it comes in at about 220 grit and it's silicon carbide, okay? So what it is, it boosts the cleaning power of your actual, of the job that you do. So all we do, simply, this is how it comes in a little salt shaker, and all we do is we just sprinkle it onto the floor, to the area that we're cleaning. And what that will do is all that fine powder, yeah, will get in to all those little pinpricks and all the texture in the stone. So then when we're cleaning it and we go over it, so on this machine, just got standard soft to medium nylon brush that we can put under the rotary. Whether it's using pad A on the TileMaster, it's just a hand brush, or the book kit, whatever you use. Once you put your product down, what's going to happen is, as the machine is agitating it, all those little fine abrasive particles are just going to help mechanically agitate and scratch the dirt off and get it out. So what we can see here, where we've not used it, there's quite a lot of dirt built up in the texture in the pips. Whereas when you can see the area that we've cleaned here, can we see how it starts to dry back nice and white. Okay, so dead simple. This is all we're going to do. Comes in this tub and we just sprinkle a bit on. And all we need to do is just release the water out of the tank or spray it on, and then we just start working it in. Okay, so with the diamond dust, because it's a 220 grit, basically it's a nano diamond technology, on a natural stone like a marble, a limestone, a travertine, it is going to refinish the floor and leave it like a nice honed finish. Okay, we're ready to move on to like a 400 grit diamond pad. But we can also use it on like matte porcelain, Victorian quarries, terracotta, any surfaces like that. Ones that are a little bit tougher, so like your Victorian tiles, it's not going to damage them in any way, but it's going to remove and almost mechanically scratch off any old seals, the dirt that's in the pits and there, and just give it a real good deep clean. So if you're looking to boost your cleaning power on the job, if the cleaner's just not doing it, sprinkle a little bit of diamond dust and that will just boost your power and give you a better result. Okay? Thanks for listening.